You know how when you apply spiritual practices to ordinary life, life pops and comes alive? You meditate, things are more peaceful, more rich, like food tastes better. You do breath work, you have more energy. Nature is like breathing with you. The ocean is outrageous. You do ice baths and your nervous system is just like so alive, so energized. Well, you can apply the same spiritual techniques to your relationship. This is what Tantric Partnership is. Taking ordinary relationship, applying tools and techniques that make it pop with aliveness, with richness, with beauty, with sensuality, with intimacy beyond anything you could ever imagine. It's almost like your relationship becomes psychedelic. It's really, really, really special. So I love teaching you these tools and techniques, and I love initiating people into what I call Tantric Partnership, where you use tools and practices to take an ordinary relationship and make it spiritual. It is such a profound journey. It is so incredibly powerful. And I'm going to be teaching a live event all about Tantric Partnership, how you can use tools, practices, techniques, and philosophies to go from ordinary to absolutely extraordinary spiritual connection. Please go ahead and comment down below live event, and I will send you all the details.